So I'm not exactly sure why I did this, but I had the idea to get out my old PowerBook G3 again, install Final Cut Pro on it, and have a go editing a video. Final Cut Pro 3 was chosen, the last version that runs on macOS 9. This version, released in 2001, originated the ability to preview effects in real time, if you've got a G4 that is, some very rudimentary offline proxy support, and the ability to record voiceovers directly. Now obviously we can't run 4K through this, so the footage was transcoded to standard definition DV. I've got the final export back off the machine, so here's the finished video, edited like it's 2001 again.
Fire danger, low moderate.
What are we doing today?
So, track number 10 from Robert and Muriel Pepper's book, Four-Wheel Drive Trips Close to Melbourne. So this track is the Golden Way, Daylesford to Castlemaine, the scenic route.
What do we have for lunch?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo?
Kangaroo. Chance for 40. Yes, if you're expecting a professional cooking show, this isn't the channel for you. So as you can see here, we have a little problem with the directions.